scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Marble rolling questions look sneaky, but this one is fast if you track where the energy goes and compare the bottom speed carefully. Start with conservation of energy. At the top, the marble has gravitational potential energy, MGH, and at the bottom, that energy becomes motion, so we compare MGH with the marble's kinetic energy. Here is the key twist. Because the marble rolls without slipping, its energy is split into translational kinetic energy and rotational kinetic energy, not just the straight line term 1/2 mv squared. That means MGH is greater than 1/2 mv squared, so v squared is less than 2gh, and therefore v is less than square root 2gh. Well done! Option A. Scan now. Don't rush signs or assumptions. Trust the given rolling condition and check each energy step carefully.